All right, guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the trades that I took today on non-farm payroll Friday. And I made a video yesterday pretty much outlining what I thought was going to happen. Hold on, what's going on here? Okay, so I basically said that I wanted to see this level of buy side taken, and also if we close strong above that on the 4-hour, I would like to see this taken. Now, we did see that. We did see a closure above the 4-hour, and it did close pretty strong. So my bias was bullish. I did take a long prior to 9:30, and I took a long after 9:30. Now, let's jump into those trades. The first trade I took was right after I saw this candle, and it respected this bullish fair value gap. So I saw the strong closure and made an intermediate term low. I placed my stop there, and I aimed for 2R. Now, this trade did run in my direction for quite some time. However, I did place my stop at break even because I felt like we had created some more inefficiencies, and I felt like maybe this would be a breakaway gap. However, what ended up happening was I got stopped out. So I got stopped out for break even, which I was fine with that. It really wasn't a big deal for me. Now, moving forward, we did have another bullish PD ray right here. So we had a inverse fair value gap, right? And I didn't enter right away because it was kind of slow. I waited for the next candle, and the next candle pushed down and then got bought back up very strongly. And for me, that was a indication that price was going to continue higher. So I got long right there, and I placed my stop at the bottom of this candle. Now, what ended up happening was I got stopped out immediately. So after that, I just waited. I wanted to see exactly what 10 a.m. would do because I felt like these data lows were next to get breached, and I wanted to see how this was going to get taken because there was a possibility that we might take the low and then we might expand higher. But what I ended up seeing was that we actually displaced pretty strongly below the low, right? So it looked to me like price did not want to, take the low and reverse higher. Price looked very heavy. I saw a lot of speed on the tape, and I took my entry on the 1 minute time frame. So this is the low right here. We ended up displacing it. We created a nice little gap on the 1 minute. Price went back up, rebalanced it, and went back down. So right here, I had a feeling that price may want to reverse, but then we closed very strong. So as we were pushing down after this candle close, I got short right there, and I put my stop at this candle high, pretty much over the gap, and I targeted 2R. And as you can see, that is my trades for the day. So just a quick rundown of all the trades. I took 3 trades today. The first trade was a break even. The next trade was a loss. These 2 were long trades. And my third and final trade was a win, and it covered the first 2 trades, and I was up 1R for the day. So I'm satisfied with my performance. I got the bias wrong initially, which I'm totally fine with. It happens. The best thing we can do is just react as traders and manage risk and protect capital. So I did all those 3 things well today, and I look forward to executing next week now that non-farm payroll week is behind us. And I've been making these videos every single day, win or lose. So if you like this content, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.